High pot testing, also known as high potential testing, is a dielectric withstand test that assesses the integrity of electrical insulation. It involves applying a voltage significantly higher than the equipment's rated voltage for a specified duration. This overvoltage stresses the insulation, revealing weaknesses and potential defects. Firstly, IEEE Standard 1229.2019, which is the recommended practice for testing energized industrial electrical equipment, provides detailed guidance on high pot testing procedures and safety precautions. Secondly, ANSI/NETAT 2022, which is the standard for electrical testing, includes specific requirements for high pot testing, covering aspects like test voltages, duration, and acceptance criteria. Thirdly, IEC 60247-2/2017 concerning high voltage test techniques, Part 2, focusing on test procedures and requirements, offers another perspective on high pot testing, especially in international contexts. In addition, NETA provides training courses specifically focused on high potential testing, offering practical hands-on experience and in-depth knowledge. Megger testing, on the other hand, measures the insulation resistance of electrical equipment. A megameter, also known as a Megger, applies a DC voltage to the insulation and measures the resulting current flow. The insulation resistance is then calculated using Ohm's law. A high insulation resistance indicates good insulation quality, while a low resistance suggests deterioration or contamination. IEEE Standard 110.2012, the recommended practice for power cable testing, provides valuable information on Megger testing techniques for cables. Also, ANSI/NETAT 2022, which is the standard for electrical testing, also incorporates requirements for insulation resistance testing using Meggers. And NETA provides training courses dedicated to Megger testing, providing practical skills in insulation resistance measurement and interpretation. Now let's discuss when to use high pot testing. High pot testing is primarily used to verify the integrity of electrical insulation. It can detect hidden insulation defects such as cracks, pinholes, or contamination that may not be apparent during visual inspection. High pot testing is often performed on equipment before placing it into service to ensure it meets required safety standards. It can also be used as part of a routine maintenance program to identify potential insulation problems before they lead to equipment failures or electrical accidents. The other question to ask is when to use Megger testing. Megger testing is used to measure the insulation resistance of electrical equipment. It can help identify ground faults which occur when current leaks from a live conductor to ground. Megger testing can also verify the proper connection of ground wires, ensuring a safe path for fault current. In addition, Megger testing is valuable for assessing the overall health of electrical components such as motors, transformers, and cables. Decreasing insulation resistance over time can indicate insulation degradation and the need for maintenance or replacement. Both high pot and Megger testing can be applied to a wide range of equipment rated 600 volts and below. This includes motors, which benefit from insulation testing to prevent winding failures. Transformers, where insulation breakdown can lead to catastrophic damage, should also be tested. Capacitors, known for insulation-related failures, are good candidates for testing. Circuit breakers, where proper insulation is critical for safe operation, should be tested as well. Switchgear, which houses various electrical components, should undergo comprehensive insulation testing. Electrical wiring, the backbone of any electrical system, requires regular insulation testing. Control systems, where insulation failures can disrupt operations, should also be tested. Finally, lighting fixtures, particularly in harsh environments, benefit from insulation testing to prevent shocks and fires. In summary, high pot testing is a dielectric withstand test that verifies insulation integrity by applying an overvoltage. Megger testing measures insulation resistance to detect faults and assess component health. Both tests are crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical equipment rated 600 volts and below, especially on motors, transformers, capacitors, circuit breakers, switchgear, electrical wiring, control systems, and lighting fixtures. Remember to always follow safety precautions and applicable standards when performing high pot and Megger testing.